Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing our Temu package that just arrived. So let's unbox together. In here we have a package that you could just wash your shoes, your bras, your little house stuff. You can just wash it in it, put them in here like stockings, your undies, your bra, your trainers, and pop it into your washing machine. It's very handy, especially when you have lots of kids that need washing bras. And here we have let's see what we've got here. Oh, it's a storage bag. If you have any clothes you're not using anymore, you could just store them in here instead of they all lying around. This is very handy and it's quite big. Your blankets, your towel, it will all fit in here. Here is a little hanger that will take lots of hanging stuff. Put in your jackets, your t-shirts. Put in your t-shirt and hang it in your wardrobe. I have one more packet left. Here is my shoe rag. I will leave a picture of it when it's all fixed. And I've already put them all together. It's a shoe rag just to put in your shoes and tidy up in your room. If this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do me a favor by subscribing to Violet Kitchen, where we do lots of little activities in there. And if you have not downloaded your Temu, please use my link to download your Temu link app today, and use my code to get additional 30% off. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.